Hello everyone and welcome back to the AppJobs channel, where we talk about all the ways you can make money using your phone. In this video we're going to be talking about Fiverr, another company you can work with and make the extra money you need. But before going through that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel so you always know when we have a new video up. We're always updating and we generally have videos Mondays and Thursdays, and once every 2 weeks we have a live stream here too. So yes, subscribe, and after you've done that, we're good to start this video. You probably heard about Fiverr before, but just in case you didn't, well, it is a place where you can offer any freelance service you can think of. So you can do some video editing or creative writing or be a spokesperson for a video or even anything else you can think of. Like there's some people that give cat advice or even read tarot cards. Yeah, so it means you can pretty much do anything and get paid for it. You can of course sign up to Fiverr with AppJobs.com, and all you have to do is go to our website, sign in or join now, select your working city, and then click on the category Freelance to see if Fiverr is an option for you. If it is, all you have to do is click on the application button, and once you click there, you're gonna be redirected to Fiverr's page where you're gonna start doing the application. So you're gonna fill in your information and start putting your gig up, and like you can put it out there, and if people like it, they can hire you and get to pay for your job. As soon as your client is happy with the job and done, you're gonna get your payment. You decide your own working hours, so you pretty much have the flexibility to work whenever you want, and also you get to decide how much people will pay for your job. And there's also a 24/7 support that will be there for you whenever there's a problem, whenever you need something. So yeah, since the name says itself, Fiverr, you start off with $5 for the services you're offering. But if your service requires a little bit more effort, like video editing or anything really that takes too much effort from you, you can put the rates wherever you want. It's on you. And the requirements are that there are no requirements at all. However, posting something illegal, improper, or adult is completely forbidden. But why should you go to appjobs.com, right? Like you can just go to the page and sign up? No. Well, appjobs.com is gonna be there with you through the whole process. So basically we're gonna be there as your search engine to find the apps that are available in your city. You can compare the apps and see which one fits you best. And you can also add assets to your profile, which are everything that can help you get a job. So an insurance, a vehicle registration, or a driver's license, anything like that that can help you get an app job is an asset. And once you add the ones you already have, you can see the apps that you are ready to go and can start working right now because you already fill the requirements. But if you don't fill the requirements, but you would like to start working with that job, we're also going to be there for you. Basically, we have service partners, which are companies that can help you get something that you need to start working a job. So let's say you want to start driving but have no car, or you want to start working but you have no computer. Well, with our service partners, they can lend you a computer or a phone or anything that you need really to start working. And yeah, so you can start making your extra money with an app job. And on top of all of that, we're present in all the social media platforms you can think of. We have here the YouTube channel, we have Facebook groups and our Facebook page, we have Instagram, and we're always there updating and posting things. And on our website, we also have blog posts full of information that are completely related to the app jobber's life. And that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also to check the useful links in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye!